going to explain to you a theorem about connected regions and curves. And essentially what this says is if you have some set W and you don't know what W looks like, if you don't know what W looks like, but you know that between any 2 points, W and Z, you can always find a path from one to the other, and this path lies entirely within W. That means that W has to be connected. In other words, W has to look like, I don't know, something like this. So let me give you that'd be an example. Here's would be a non-example. Right. In other words, I'm going to look at the contrapositive. If W is not connected, then there exist 2 points that cannot be connected by a curve of W. So here's an example of the contrapositive. Let's suppose I have a non-connected set, disconnected set. I might have a little portion there, and I might have another portion there. Then there exist 2 points that cannot be connected by a curve in W. Well, what 2 points should I pick? Well, I'm going to pick any point from here. That's going to be W, and any point from here is Z. And if you think you can connect them, well, yeah, you can connect them. Look, I just connected them. The catch is this curve doesn't live inside the green boundaries. This curve is outside of the green W here. So that's essentially what this theorem is saying. You might not be surprised by that, but right, we have to kind of cover our bases here as mathematicians. So we make sure that we state everything, even if it seems obvious. In fact, we make sure we prove everything in the case, even if it seems like it should be obvious. And this is basically the converse. If you have an open connected set, then any 2 points can be connected by a curve. And it goes on to say that if you have an open connected set, you can actually connect them by just a series of horizontal and vertical lines. So what this is saying is that if you have 2 points in here, you can connect them by just going like boop, boop, something like that. Or maybe a more interesting example would be if you have something like that. Let's make this kind of barely connected. Okay, so let's connect these 2 points. Alright, here's how I connect them. I'm going to go, may as well just go up, and it's unclear if I'm going to hit, so I'm going to go over a little bit. I can go up a little more, go over, go down, down, over, down, over, down, over, down, up, down. Boom, 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 boom. I can connect them just like that. So this probably makes intuitive sense to you, and hopefully it does after this screencast, but we still need to prove it, so that's what the book did. Alright, enjoy.